another video and we have a special guest, Eric.
Oh, how's Kelsey?
So, we are going to be trying these MREs again, but this time they're different ones. So we have the Spicy Southwest style skillet. It's the same one as we tried last time, but we just got it because we liked it. And then we have chili mac and beef, lasagna meat sauce, chicken teriyaki, and a special dessert, an ice cream sandwich. So first we're gonna start with the breakfast item here, which is the Southwest style skillet, which is really freaking good.
Yeah.
I could literally eat this for breakfast all the time, but it has 1,500 milligrams of sodium in it, so I choose not to for the sake of my coronary arteries.
Now this is Eric's first time trying this one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All of them, really.
So Eric is my partner in food, so we like pretty much the same things in food. So I have faith that we're gonna like a lot of the same things.
Mm-hmm.
Ye old faith.
Mm.
Smells really good.
All right, here we go.
Just like I remembered.
I know.
It's got
That
that
is really
perfect
good.
heat too.
Mm-hmm. So freaking good.
Mm-hmm.
So if you guys know of anywhere I could get something like this that doesn't have a shit ton of sodium in it, please let me know, because I don't eat eggs for breakfast, so that
Or-
literally cuts anything out.
How to make it even.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really good.
Well, probably you could get hash browns, black beans, and corn. But I wonder what the seasoning is.
I know, and I want to know what kind of peppers. Green chilies.
I bet that's the heat.
Yeah. And the seasoning? Maybe a little bit of like chili seasoning?
Does it say pepper? What kind of peppers?
It just says green chilies. Red bell pepper. Hot pepper sauce. Black pepper. Green chili pepper. This one's definitely my favorite, and I love that the potatoes stay together.
I
They don't fall
know.
apart. I like that. Because it gives it that bite.
I know.
I'll try to answer anything, but I'm generally best with factual questions.
What?
I didn't ask you a question.
Is she okay?
The next one is chili mac with beef.
Ooh.
So it doesn't look like it has a lot of pasta in it. Okay, that's all I'm getting for right now.
I know.
It does look.
We don't know how these taste.
Which ones have you all tried? Have you?
That one with the other
The
one.
one that we just tried, and that's it.
Oh, really?
Of
Yeah.
this brand, right?
Yeah.
Or we did, we did the biscuits and gravy or whatever.
Of this brand.
Yeah.
What if we tried the other brand? I know we had mac and cheese, wasn't it? But it had peas in it.
Yeah, was it? It was a different brand, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was a different brand. But I don't remember what the other stuff. Oh, it was just chili. It wasn't chili mac. It was just chili, wasn't it? Of a different
Yeah,
brand.
and it was very bland.
Yeah.
Like it had no flavor.
Oh, this is gonna be like.
That brand was just bland.
It was. I can't remember what brand it is. If you go back and look at her older video, it'll show you which brands we did try. But this brand, so far with that other, the breakfast thing, that was good.
The macaroni could be softer.
The first initial bite, was strange. But it's not horrible. I feel like,
Kind of has a charcoal taste to it.
yeah. Uh-huh. I was gonna say, I
chewy.
feel like it's got
Yeah.
like something in it. Like
The texture is not it.
It's chewy. I mean, it doesn't taste.
like there's a lot more bite in the meat than you expect.
Yeah.
It's not bad though.
No.
It does taste campfire-ish. And maybe it's the beans.
Well, at least I know that's not my COVID nose. Since I've had COVID, I smell random campfires occasionally.
That's weird.
Alright, this is lasagna and meat sauce, and I'm not really sure how I'm gonna feel about this either. It's not smelling too hot.
It's interesting.
It looks weird.
This is supposed to be lasagna and meat sauce?
Yeah.
Noodles are interesting looking. I kind of like those
I
noodles.
like the shape of them.
You know what it smells like to me?
What?
Cafeteria food.
Yes.
Or canned, like Chef Boyardee or something.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see that. The Chef Boyardee.
Yeah, like beefroni or something like that.
I can already tell you it's probably going to need hot sauce. Okay, that's not bad.
That was pretty good.
Ooh, I really like that.
It tastes better than it smells.
I really like that. And this one seems like it would be pretty fulfilling. Like if you took some bread with you.
This pasta is softer than the chili mac.
Yeah.
But the meat is still chewy in it.
Not as chewy. This almost has like a cheesy taste to it too.
I think it has
Parmesan.
cheese in it.
Yeah. Blend of Parmesan, Romano, whatever, and mozzarella. I can definitely taste that. And it's got like garlic, oregano, rosemary, pepper. It's got a good amount of like seasonings in it. It's definitely seasoned well. It's not bland at all. I don't think we've had one bland one yet.
No.
They're good.
Hey, maybe it's just these meals. Maybe it's the brand. Maybe they just season well.
Yeah. It's good.
Because that other brand did not season well at all. I'm impressed.
I am too. This one I would totally get again. It's better than canned.
Yeah.
You usually don't like lasagna.
I know. I really usually don't. But this is better than like Chef Boyardee.
It's not really lasagna though, because you know lasagna has like the long noodles.
It's like a pasta.
It's like a pasta.
I can see that's the one that guy from
Said he
Walmart
didn't like.
And I
I could see.
like-
It's more of a texture type thing.
Yeah, and it's not terrible, but it's
No.
just not my favorite.
Yeah, the chili mac with beef isn't the greatest so far.
I'm really excited about this chicken teriyaki, guys.
Ooh, it does look pretty good.
Oops. I'm a slob. Just move past it.
Oh, that looks good.
You know what it reminds me of?
What?
The stuff that we get from Kobe's.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I smell the soy sauce. I smell it. That smells really good.
I know.
Let's see. Not bad.
I'm pretty good.
It has soy sauce, it has the teriyaki.
It's funny with the smell. Actually, I wasn't really expecting like a sweeter taste from it.
It is sweeter. I think that's probably the carrots in it.
The chicken is not chewy either, like the other meat.
Yeah.
I like the veggies in it. It tastes like a good stir fry.
feel like I've ate something like this before, like in a frozen meal or something.
Me who? What are those little green? Starts with an M. They're really cheap. They're like $1. The frozen.
Michelinas.
Yeah, like something like that.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, it definitely screams
Just a
like
little
TV.
wetter.
It screams like TV dinner for sure.
Yeah. But it's got a good stir fry taste to it, like it's been cooked well or something.
Yeah. It's good.
I can definitely taste the ginger in it.
It's good.
Yeah, that's not bad at all.
So guys, we had a technical difficulty and I'm not sure really what it was, but my camera stopped recording when we ate the ice cream. So we only have like this much left, but we will tell you that it kind of tastes like a Lucky Charm marshmallow.
Yeah.
I think that's what we consensually agreed upon.
Yes.
So anyway, we're gonna tell you again because we already told you, but you know, this is how we like our food. Well,
The order.
Yeah.
In which we think is the best to least.
Yeah, so I personally like the Southwest style skillet, I think is the name of it, and then the lasagna, and then I guess the ice cream, the teriyaki, and the chili mac. Because the chili mac's texture is absolutely disgusting. Like, it's like chewy or something.
Chewy and dry almost.
Yeah.
Like the beans were dry.
Yeah. Maybe that extra water I had that blew up was supposed to go in there.
Well, I guess, maybe we'd know for next time, but I still don't think that would have changed that much.
I don't think so.
Honestly. Now, what'd you think? What order did you like?
Sorry. The Southwest one, the lasagna. I had to go with the ice cream as well, but I'll have to go with the, what was it called again?
The chili mac?
Yeah, the chili mac, and then the chicken teriyaki.
Yeah, that chili mac, My thing, I liked the Southwest, the lasagna, the teriyaki, then the ice cream sandwich, and then the chili mac. That chili mac, I won't eat that one again. The teriyaki, I could probably go without. But my two absolute favorites are the Southwest and the lasagna.
I think we can all agree on that one.
Those were really good
Yeah.
and flavorful and cooked perfectly, and they were both really good. Definitely 5-star.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, definitely. Especially for a MRE, that's for sure.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that guy at Walmart was right. The chili mac is gross.
Maybe we should listen to him next. But I like to be my own judge.
Yeah,
so,
absolutely. I think everyone does.
Yeah.
So anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit subscribe. Don't forget to head on over to Kelsey's channel and actually watch us eat an ice cream sandwich. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye
Bye guys.